Hey everyone, welcome back to Electro Gadget. In today's video, we're going to build a soil moisture sensor using Arduino and an RGB LED to easily monitor the moisture levels of soil, perfect for gardening enthusiasts or anyone looking to keep their plants healthy. This is the brain of our project, handling the logic and control of this whole project. This is the soil moisture sensor. It is connected to an irrigation system controller that measures soil moisture content in the active root zone before each scheduled irrigation event and bypasses the cycle if soil moisture is above a user-defined set point. Connect red LED to D9 of the Arduino to notify dry soil. Connect green LED to D10 of the Arduino to notify soil have enough moisture. Connect blue LED to D11 of the Arduino to notify soil is wet. Connect battery holder to the Arduino. All the circuit connections are shown in the circuit diagram mentioned in the description. Red LED indicate the soil is dry, need to water it. After watering, blue LED is turned on immediately that indicate the soil is wet enough. Stop watering. After place out, the soil sensor from the wet soil. Green LED is turned on immediately that indicate the soil is moderately moistured. If you found this project helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments what projects you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.